APEM controls all stages of production from the transformation of raw materials to finished products. The vast majority of the components we assemble are produced in-house. This allows us to guarantee consistent quality standards in all aspects of production according to the QRQC methods. Each HMI that leaves our plants has undergone a well-established, documented and controlled process. We are certain of its quality because we have controlled all the stages of its production, from tooling to testing. All the industrialization phases, from the design of the first prototypes to mass production. Plastic injection molds and other tools. All our tools are designed and maintained in-house. Turning and stamping, from the simple hand lathe to hydraulic presses and automated systems for mass production, including CNC and CAM-type machines. Molding. We are capable of high-volume production of thermoset, thermoplastic, silicone and elastomer parts. Surface treatment with different metals such as nickel, gold, silver and palladium, including radiographic X-ray testing of the primary parts to check the thickness and resistance of the electroplating. Digital printing, screen printing, blistering, embossing or laser cutting are some of the technologies we use for control panels. Manual, semi-automatic or fully automated assembly. It includes the mounting of primary parts, product wiring, hot marking, laser marking, pad printing and mechanical engraving. For complex HMIs, such as joysticks or solutions, we have the ability to integrate communication protocols such as CAN, RS485, RS422, USB. Finally, our products are protected against ESD/EMC. Thanks to a fully integrated quality management system, APEM is recognized in the HMI market for the quality of its products. In-house laboratories test and qualify all products according to international standards. In addition, APEM products are tested by specialized laboratories for specific qualifications, such as VDE, ATEX, CECC and mil-spec. You can count on us to support you in all your human-machine interface projects, from the simplest to the most complex. You can be absolutely certain that you have a solution customized to your application and your brand, able to withstand even the most extreme conditions of use.